friends in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss with about iterators in Python. Okay, so before to start discussion about iterator, let me tell you that we have already seen different type of collections like list, tuples, dictionaries, etc. If we see here with the help of for loop, we can iterate elements one by one in this way. For example, we are iterating through a list. Similarly, this second one is iterating through a tuples. Third one is iterating through a dictionary keys. Fourth one is iterating through all the characters from the string. And if we see fifth one, it is iterating every line from a file. Okay, so there are many types of collections which can be used with a for loop. These are called iterable collections. So we can see here is we are using for loop to iterate over a collection. All these for loops internally are using iterators. So what are iterators? An iterator in Python is an object which you can be used to iterate over a collection. An iterator object has two special built-in functions. First one is _iter_. This function returns the iterator object itself. And second one is _next_. function. This function returns the next value from the iterator. I hope you understand the concept and I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.